And all my dear friends. I am Disha Modi from 60, representing SSFAIR from 60 SSFAIR. Our topic is Gujarat political. So let's start with rural administration. Gujarat government is the supreme governing authority. Gujarat and its 33 districts. 33 districts. It consists to be executive of the legislature. Gujarat governor. Gujarat and its 33 districts. Gujarat and 33 districts. It consists to be executive of the legislative appointed by the governor of Gujarat. Now, I will say too about Gram Panchayat. The word Gram Panchayat literally means an elder or assembly of five elders. The word Gram Panchayat literally means an assembly of five elders. The Gram Panchayat is local self-governing body of a village and foundation of a body, foundation of a Panchayati Raj system. Do you know the number of members of Gram Panchayat varies between 7 and 25. These members are elected by Gram Panchayat. Do you know what we say the head of the Gram Panchayat? So the head of the Gram Panchayat is Sarpanch, who is elected by the Sarpanch. Sarpanch is elected by the Gram Panchayat. Now I would like to explain my model. This model is made up of thermocol sheets, papers, watercolors, and boxes. Now, other one model I have made that is made up of bamboo sticks, cardboard, paper, and watercolor. Thank you. Now I would like this is named the model is national symbol. Here I have made the model of symbols like Congress, tiger, mango, and etc. Now I would like to call Sharma Kushal for the speech.
Now I will explain you what are developed village. So friends, do you know what is smart village? Smart village is a concept refers to a concept developed in rural areas occurred and improve the quality of life. The main problem occurred in rural areas are poverty of low level education, limited access to technology and limited access to high level education. Now the smart village concept emerged due to some different characteristics of urban and rural areas. Now I would like to call Kodwani Dharmi to continue the speech. Before that I will explain you my model. Here I have made the model of developed village. Here I have used cardboard, some toys and the white chart paper. Here I have made the second model of culture of Gujarat. Here I have used thermocol sheet, cardboard, the tree and some pictures. Now I would like to call Kodwani Dharmi to continue the speech.
Thank you, Kushal. Now I will explain about the Vidhan Sabha. The Vidhan Sabha Constitution Assembly is the lower house of legislation. The members of
Legislature.
The members of the legislation assembly are also known as the legislation assembly. The members the directly elected by the people for the constitution. Now I would like to explain about the Vidhan Parishad. The second house of the Vidhan Parishad, the second house of the legislation are also known as the Vidhan Parishad. Now I would like to explain about the Chief Minister. The Chief Minister is the head of the government at the state level. He or she is the leader of the party which wins the majority of seats in the term of the Chief Minister for 5 years. Now I would like to call Rami Om for the speech.
Thank you, Dharmi. Here I will explain about the judiciary of Gujarat. Three pillars: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. The judiciary its system is complementary to the other two at the same time at the same time to the other two at the same time, acting as checks and balances to them. Now I would like to explain about my model. Here I have used cardboard, thermocol, public seating, defense lawyer, judges, and the judiciary system. Now I would like to call to Mitesh for pending speech.
No problem. You start.
I will explain here urban
Put like this.
is also known as municipal governor, is take care and all the people living in urban areas are also known as
Can't understand only what
Explain
you're
your
saying, right?
explain your model.
This urban areas are made with thermocol and watercolor. I would like to call Sagar.
I will explain about the electronic voting machine. What is the electronic voting machine? The
That
electronic voting machine are used to record votes. The names of candidates and participants are shown on the voting machine. The voter just have to press the button against the names of candidate of their choice. This machine seal after the voting ends. This machine seal after the voting ends. The election commission also prepare the voter list before the contains all the names of who are
Was standing for election. Say your own words.
who are standing for election. Now I will explain my model.
First explain this. You have explained just now this.
How it works. This is a Bharatiya Janata Party. This is a Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party,
Samajwadi Party.
Bhajun Samaj Party. I will explain about my state government model. Now, in this, what is the capital of Gujarat? What is the capital of Gujarat? The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Then I will touch here, then it will work.
Very good. Very nice.
I would